So we bought this farm, and there's all kinds of dead wood to be cut. Some's big trees down in here in that creek area, but mostly around here, around all the fences and around the houses, these weed bushes like this, and like that there. I've been cutting that stuff and cutting and cutting, and you get in here and they've overgrown to such an extent you can get underneath, and there's a kind of an alcove in here. It's a kind of a sort of a lovely place, all shady and cool and stuff. Ouch. But I got to get in here and cut all that stuff. And what happens is you end up hacking with that chainsaw. You're just hacking every which way with that chainsaw, and then it has a tendency to get caught. Those branches, even though they're not very big, they get tension, and you're jerking at it. And I got to thinking, maybe, a real chainsaw isn't the solution for something like that. And what I've been doing is this electric. And this electric here is probably 20 years old. I believe I had it in Iowa. It's called a Lumberjack Wagner. A Wagner Lumberjack 14-inch electric chainsaw. Supposedly 3 horsepower. And it still works. I haven't put the chain back on. It come off because I was hacking and cutting and running, and it tends to, stretch a little. Then you have to tighten it. Well, anyway, what I got to thinking was, maybe the thing to do is just wear out these little electric chainsaws, beat them up. And so I bought this one for $50. And I don't know anything about it. Of course, when I bought this one, I don't believe I knew anything about it. It looks like, I don't know if this is an oil stain here. And then they said, do I want the extended warranty? And it's only got 30 days. I thought, I didn't go for the extended warranty. But I thought, 30 days, shoot, sometimes I don't even use a tool for 30 days after I buy it. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and I bought it today. I'm going to use it today, make sure it works anyway. It does work. Don't know if it'll go 20 years.